Hi, welcome to Digital Learning. So today topic is how to launch AWS Remote Desktop. So for launching AWS Remote Desktop, what are the steps we need to follow to achieve successful launching of the AWS Remote Desktop service? So first step, we need the user needs AWS account. So for creating the AWS free tier account, we will discuss in the separate video. So as of now, I have the already AWS account. So directly I will log into the console and how to create EC2 instance and creating the security key and downloading and how to upload that security key to the our encrypting and decrypting for the password to connect our remote desktop. I will show that. Then we need to download Microsoft Remote Desktop from the App Store. So for Mac OS users, if you are using the Windows OS, so you have the putty or something directly you can download from there. So, but the connecting to the remote desktop is the same. The steps are common either in the Windows or Mac OS or Linux. Then you have to pass the remote desktop credentials and you can launch the desktop successfully. So these are the basic steps. So first we will go for the how to create EC2 instance. So if you have the already account, so that account is creation is a separate steps. We will follow in the next video. So as of now, I have already AWS account. So directly we can start from the EC2 instance. So we'll discuss about how to create the AWS account also. So here, see, so after login to the my AWS account, so here you can see the EC2 dashboard. So initially you will get the so services. You can go for the compute. If you click on the compute, here you can see the EC2. So click on EC2 services. So you will get the same dashboard what we open now. So what are the instances running present, how to create the elastic IPs and load balances. So these are the for the dashboard resources. What are the EC2 resources? Okay, the reason. So just click on the instances. Just click on instances. Okay. So here you can see that already I have the one instance. So that is so it is top present. So I can create the n number of instances also if you want to create. So now you can see the launch instances if you want to create that. You can see. So launch instance from the template or migrate server. So I'm taking the launch instances. Click on launch instances. Okay. So here you can able to see. Here you can able to see. So quick start purpose we have the Amazon, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, different we have. So I'm launching the Windows remote desktop. So everyone knows very well about the how the screen of Windows OS. So that's the reason I'm selecting the Windows OS. It is eligible for the free tier actually, free tier. See, you have to check it is free tier or not. If it is not free tier, we have to pay the pay as service. It is verified the product free tier eligible. Next, so if you want to give the name of the tags or something, if you want to add the tags, you can give the name of the tags. As of now, I'm not giving anything. Just selecting the operating system, that is Windows. I'm selecting, and here you can see the what is the AMI. Okay, so ID. So what is the ID we have? And you can, if you come to a little bit down, you can select the key value pair. So the key value pair, you can select it. Already I have the test DK, or if you don't have the key, you can create the new key pair. So new key pair means it will ask the key name and create key pair. It will download automatically. .pem file only you have to download. So don't go for the .ppk. So just give the key name and create the key pair. That's it. It will download. So from download folder you have to give the path. So how to give out, I will tell. So I already have the key. So I'm using the same key only. Okay, I need to create again the same key. Then if you want to go for the any changes, so as of now we are just launching the remote desktop. So these things not required to change any other uh, HTTP ports or these all things. So we'll see in the coming videos. Focus on the only how to launch Microsoft Windows. So launch instance, click on launch instance. So you will get the success if it is succeeded as per the requirements. So success, instance launch of the instance. Okay. So if you want to see the launch log also you can see it initialize succeeded, create security groups rules. So everything okay. So once you got the success, so if you want to launch that, okay, if you want to launch, just click on the here you can see the URL. Just click on that instance ID. See it will go for the directly dashboard of the instance dashboard. So ECT console you can see the. So this is the key what we have already. It is running now. Okay, the instance. So when I'm taking the default name, so it will take the default one. If you want to edit your own name, also you can edit it. So if you want to change your name, also you can change it. Okay, so no issue on that. So now it is running actually. So it is running. And here you can see the public DNS server. So using this public DNS server, we will connect it actually. We'll connect it. Okay. Now it is running. Now, so go for the App Store, search for Remote Desktop. So Microsoft Remote Desktop. So here, so Microsoft Remote Desktop. So download from here. Just already I have the Remote Desktop. Okay. So if you don't have, you can download it. The application. Very simple. Just I have here that is the Remote Desktop launching. See that. So here the public IP address we have to take it. Okay, public IP address. So here, if you want to launch a new one, you can add it. Already, if you have the so remote desktop, so you can see the PCs. So the add button, add PC. You can add the PC. So the PC name, just paste the your public DNS. Just add it. So just add it. So copy the public DNS service and open your Microsoft Remote Desktop in macOS. Add the PC. So it will ask your PC name. So what is the remote PC name? The path you have to pass it DNS. So if you double click on it, will ask the so username and password. Username and password. This username and password where we will get it in our EC2 instance. Select the EC2 instance, and you can see the actions. In that actions, you can go for the security. So get Windows password. Just get Windows password actions. Security. Get Windows password. The get Windows password here it will ask the what is the key you created previously, the security key. So upload that the key name is the test dk. So upload that private key file. Okay, upload that private key file. So this is my test dk.pem file. Open it and then decrypt the password. So here we have the username is administrator. Copy that username, paste in the username here, and password. Just copy the your security key, paste it. So username and password. Just continue. So continue. See, it is a successful launching of AWS Remote Desktop, either Mac OS, either Linux, anything. So this is the Windows OS. We are opening the Remote Desktop. So AWS service. So very easy. It's very simple. No need to write any code also. Very simple to launch. So wait for the just few seconds. You will get the successful Microsoft Windows window. That is the confirmation for so launching of your Microsoft Windows in your mission, local mission. So it is a complete remote desktop. So here you can download your Java software. You can download any other softwares like database So same like our local machine, how we can do the all operation, we can do in the remote system. Okay. So there is a network connection. So we can access the network connection. You can browse and you can download